In this video, I will show you how to write this theta variant symbol in Excel. So click on this insert, then equation, and here you need to find out this symbol, this one. You can use this shortcut slash var and theta. Press spacebar one time. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.